Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize, how to edit the WooCommerce product description using Elementor into a simple, fast, and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favor. After this, please go to WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard? WP admin or WP login after your website URL. Then enter with your email or username and password. After this, you're going to be able to see the WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. You probably already had installed the Elementor plugin, so hover your mouse over Elementor. In the case that you don't have this plugin installed, go to plugins, add new, search for Elementor, install and activate. You can keep things for free. Elementor gonna try to sell you the pro version. No need to upgrade, okay? Free works. Hover mouse over Elementor on the WordPress left sidebar of menus and click into the submenu Settings. Now we need to make the plugin work into our custom post types. What is a custom post type? Products, posts, pages, or any other thing that you have on your site. It changes according to the plugins you install and the themes you install. Things like portfolio, projects, events. All are custom post types, a place where you can concentrate your posts. For example, all the blog posts go to posts, all the website pages go to pages, all the website products go to products. So this is post types. By default, Elementor comes like this. All we have to do is mark product, scroll down, and hit the Save Change button. As soon as you do this, the Elementor button is gonna appear when you go to the WooCommerce products. Add new, or to want to customize a previously made product, you're gonna be able to see the Edit with Elementor button. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna load the Elementor Page Builder features. You won't be able to customize the product short description, so the image, the title, and the short description or prices needs to be edited on the WooCommerce products page, the back end. But the long description of the product, where you can add a presentation of your products, add videos of your products, this can be customized very easy. For example, we can enter a video just like this. We can enter an image, and you can enter some heading to receive some titles, okay? Simple, right? And you can keep customizing, adding background image, making full widget, or other things. But in the case that you need help using Elementor, let me know into the comments so I can guide you. After this, all you have to do is make sure you hit the update or publish button into the upper right corner of your screen to save all your changes, okay? Remember to do this, and it is. You are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!